Imagine a world where your smartphone works for you while you sleep. It's not just a dream. It's an invitation to explore the possibilities of artificial intelligence. In the age of technology, your phone can be your partner in generating additional income effortlessly. Imagine waking up to notifications about money earned while you were resting peacefully, the dawn breaking with new opportunities at your feet. Introducing a revolutionary approach to side income, harnessing the power of AI tools to earn daily. With just a few simple steps, you can tap into the vast potential of platforms like ChatGPT and Fiverr to start your journey toward financial freedom. The upbeat tone of this venture signifies the excitement that comes with knowledge and strategy, paving the way for a brighter tomorrow. As you dive into the world of AI, envision the ease of setting up your writing gigs on Fiverr powered by ChatGPT. The clarity of innovative ideas flows through your fingertips as you create content that resonates with clients. On another note, Canva's Magic Studio invites you to unleash your creativity and design stunning visuals effortlessly. Think of the satisfaction you'll feel creating logos and thumbnails while sipping your morning coffee, eventually selling your masterpieces on platforms like Etsy or Fiverr. Furthermore, sound becomes a service with ElevenLabs making voiceover simple and accessible to everyone. Visualize headphones resting comfortably while crisp audio clips come to life for YouTube or social media reels. Your words, backed by AI technology, captivate audiences far and wide, providing them with quality sound that leaves a lasting impression. But the journey doesn't end there. Picture yourself transforming text into engaging videos with Pictory effortlessly. This pathway opens doors for a faceless YouTube channel where your creative vision shines bright without on-camera appearances. Moreover, the power of Notion comes into play, enabling you to automate your planning and generate inspiring ideas effortlessly. Your workspace becomes a canvas of creativity, where organizing tasks leads not just to productivity, but potential payments ranging from 1,000 Indian rupees to 5,000 Indian rupees. As you recap the ingenious AI tools available from ChatGPT to Notion, a collage of logos emerges, a visual reminder of the lucrative avenues available at your fingertips. So, if you're eager to reshape your financial future, why wait? Subscribe to our channel and dive into the world of AI tools to unlock your side income potential today.